Nightingale, Norah Jones.
Okay, we're looking at the intro, and we're looking at a kind of a one in. Now what I'm doing here, I'm splitting it up into 4 strings. Thumb, I'm grabbing a double stop with middle and ring and getting my way backwards via my index. You're going to pause only after the first, this is a 1 measure phrase, after the first note. You got this funny thing where you're going da 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 da, which are groups of 3. So obviously it's going to be displaced because these are 16ths. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Next chord. Okay, we talked about what scales you could use. This is like an A Mixolydian jam. It comes from the D major scale, but we're not interested in resolving to the D. We're resolving to the 5, so that makes it a Mixolydian. Play your A major scale and flat the 7. That's an easy way to get to a Mixolydian as you can. You could get one here, or index. You're going to play a major, not index, pinky. You're going to play a major scale. You're going to flat that 7. Now we're back to our root. Second octave, flat that 7. Remember, the flat 7 is a whole step down from the root, so if you're going this way, you're not going to go through the major scale with the major 7. You've got to flat that 7 right away if you're descending. You could use a subset of that Mixolydian by just playing the major pentatonic, or major pentatonic, or working your major pentatonic here, different fingering. You've got your 6. Make sure you're doing the 6 that correspond to the Mixolydian, which actually would be the 6 from the D major scale. So you got a little work to do there to reconcile those starting on A. And then the last thing we did was look at your triads. Here's your A. Where's all your triads? Next chord, G. D. And try to see if you can go to the triad that's the closest to where you are. Doesn't mean you always want to do that. Sometime maybe you might want to go same pattern. I took the exact same thing and moved it, but see if you can go to your G, maybe to your closest D, or go to your A, your closest G, your closest D, and your closest A, and add notes to those if you want. G, D,